is a retake of the Schindler M Series traction at Westfield, Carindale. I'm not sure if I did a retake of this, but I totally forgot already. But anyway, if I did, then this is a retake. Lovely indicator. Here it is. Thanks, you have a nice day.
What is that? You're talking to me?
Have a nice day.
You too, alright?
Alright. Anyway, with number 5, 1088 kilos, 16 persons, we'll do a cab view. Go to level 3 and then go to level G and end it. DDA panel. Blue Dewhurst US 95, of course. You going up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
No, you're right. Thank you.
It's all good. You going up?
Yeah, all right. That's right.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. See you later.
See ya. We'll go back to level 1 and we'll end it there.